Good morning. This is Shenzhen Carry Technologies. Today I'm going to introduce you one of the best-selling Bluetooth speakers in this company, the TF Card LED Light Metal Bluetooth Speaker CRBS35 or A10 internationally. First, let's see the material. It is metal body with plastic base. I think the most fabulous design is the steel polishing surface. Very cool and smooth. It always reminds you of metal and quality. Its size measures 42 millimeters high and 71 millimeters in diameter. There are 4 colors for your choice: the rosy, golden, sable, and black. You can choose the one you like. It has not just good looking, but also good performance. It supports TF card mode and Bluetooth wireless at the same time. But you have to change the mode manually by this one. Okay, let's see how it performs.
Power on. TF card mode. Aux mode. FM mode. Bluetooth mode. Pairing.
After it's paired, you can play the music on your mobile phone.
不該的戀情，與你對夢悠然像已經沒有事情。回頭一生中幾次未看清，仍然苦戀共你的愛情，我繼續奔波中不停。
Wow, very beautiful melody and very beautiful music. Again, I want to contribute the good performance to the metal design. Sometimes you even won't believe how such beautiful sound would come such a small box like this one. I like it. Will you? Try it yourself. For sure you will be fascinated by this small electronic gadget. If you are professional enough, you might have found this empty white space is a very good area for logo imprint. Laser print, of course, is preferable like this one. This transparent plastic box is a standard package. Inside this box, there is a USB charge cable and the user's menu. On this box, of course, you can have your trademark and the logo on it. And you can customize your own package as long as you can provide us the design. That's all for the introduction of the metal LED light TF card Bluetooth speaker today. If you want to buy and customize, please contact us with the information as follows. Thank you.